rescue team, which previously reported 36 people missing, found 18 of them in the afternoon, the state broadcaster said. The disaster on Wednesday night affected many people in 6 villages. China has faced heavy rains and flooding in parts of the country this summer and extreme heat and drought in other areas. State media described the heat and prolonged drought as the worst since records began 60 years ago. Emergency officials described the flash floods in Qinghai's Datong County as mountain streams. Such flows are usually the result of strong storms in mountainous areas. Water flowing down a mountain can turn a ravine or river into a raging river, catching people off guard. Sudden torrential rains in western China triggered landslides that overturned rivers and caused flash floods in populated areas, killing at least 16 people and leaving 18 others missing, Chinese state media reported on Thursday. That's the information this time. Reminding again, we want to remind you again, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's build this channel together so that we can provide useful information to everyone. Thanks.